Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into using Monday.com for your content marketing strategy. First things first, let's create a new board on Monday.com. This is where you'll organize and manage all your content marketing tasks. To do this, simply click on New, then Board. Why is this step important? Well, having a centralized board ensures that your workflow is organized and transparent, making it easier to manage your content marketing efforts. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting up your columns. These columns represent the different stages of your content creation process. For instance, you can create columns for ideas, in progress, review, and published. To add a column, simply click on the plus add button next to the last column and select the column type you want. This helps us because it gives us a visual representation of where each piece of content is in the creation process. Next up, we're going to add items to your board, which represent each piece of content. To do this, click on the plus add button at the bottom of your board and enter the name of your content piece. These items could be blog posts, social media updates, newsletters, you name it. The reason we do this is to keep track of each individual piece of content, making sure nothing gets lost in the shuffle. After adding items, let's assign each piece of content to a team member. Simply click on the person icon on your item and select a team member from the drop-down menu. Let me explain why this matters. By assigning tasks, you ensure that everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for, promoting accountability and efficiency in your team. Finally, make use of Monday.com's automation feature to set up automatic status updates and due dates. Go to the board menu, click on Automations, and select an automation that suits your process. This is a game changer as it reduces manual work and ensures that your content marketing strategy runs like a well-oiled machine. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use Monday.com for your content marketing strategy. By following these steps, you're setting your team up for a more organized, efficient, and successful content marketing process. So go ahead, give it a try, and see the difference it makes for your team. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in our next tutorial.